there is this unrealistic expectation which they couldn't fulfill. Now they're trying to fulfill maybe sometimes to their children. Plus, you get to challenge because you have to tell your story. It's like the short story, it's the most difficult thing to write.
She said she spent her life on the stage. I have watched so many of her plays and I've been a fan of her on-screen and off-screen work.
Expecting mothers or maybe planning a pregnancy or maybe actually a mom. Birth is something जिसके बारे में काफी सारी बातें कही जाती हैं और better there are a lot of myths about being pregnant. Well, आज हमारे इस कॉन्वर्सेशन में मेरी यानी विशाखा पंडित के साथ जुड़ेंगे दो ऐसी ब्यूटीज जिनको आप देखने वाले हैं बहुत जल्द एक गॉर्जियस सी शॉर्ट फिल्म में जिसका नाम है बर्थ और मैं बात करी हूँ ललित दुबे की एंड श्रेया धनवंतरी की. तो आइए चलिए बुलाते हैं इन दोनों को और जानते हैं हाउ वाज द जर्नी ऑफ बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ बर्थ एंड व्हाट रियली मेड देम से यस फॉर दिस वन.
Firstly, welcome on Telechakra, and as the title says, birth, quite the strong essence out there. And I would say, being a mother, I think we have seen how our mothers go through a lot of things. But then I would say, what was the first thing that actually excited you about the story?
Well, many things. Of course, the story itself, I felt it had a lot to say through satire. Some very important things like, there is this unrealistic expectation of women who give birth being these perfect mothers, raising perfect children, and how we live in this highly competitive society where everyone's child has to be better than the others, and it's a reflection of yourself as a parent. It's almost your accomplishments, where people are putting their children kabhi is reality show mein, us reality show mein. They're all the aspirations of their own self, which they couldn't fulfill. Now they're trying to fulfill maybe sometimes to their children, plus their children achieving some kind of fame, recognition or excellence is somehow a status thing for themselves as well. So, all these things which are there in society, unsaid, but all of us know that they're there. I said because commercially they are very, very small budgets, you can really get brave and experimental and risky and, talk about things which you would not otherwise talk about because you have not to spend a lot of money. And second, you get to challenge because you have to tell your story. It's like the short story, it's the most difficult thing to write. You can write long, rambling novels, you can write long plays, but to write a really good short story is the most difficult thing.
Perfect. What about you, Shreya? What was your reason of actually saying yes? Because the birth, as the word says, the topic seems really very, not intriguing, but really very powering. So what was your reason of saying yes for this one?
Yeah, well, I don't know if it's powering either, but it's just because of what we portray in the film. And like Lil actually described all of the stuff that happens, it's true. We wanted to show a sort of I wouldn't say literal, but like a representation of something that's usually very metaphorical and figurative. When we talk about the guilt that women face or the expectant mothers face about how to raise their child, right? And the fact of never actually feeling adequate, never feeling like you're doing a good enough job. And, sort of presenting it in a way that is kind of horrifying. I was attracted to that concept, apart from being very attracted to Lilith.
Okay. I like that. Okay.
See? Look at that. How can I not?
I totally agree. Aging like a wine, I would say. I would say that while I was actually waiting for this one, I was just seeing a glimpse of it, and I would say that both your characters have been very different from each other. But then, what was it one character from the आपके roles हैं that actually excited you, that really actually left a mark on you after you were done shooting for the short film?
Again, see, because this is quite a difficult thing to describe. The short film is not very plain and simple and straightforward, So we wanted to show, again, I feel like I'm repeating myself here, but the horror that is associated with a simple idea of doing the best that you can for your child, of what happens when it goes very terribly wrong. And this is I don't know what kind of a thing this is to say, but cut or pack up के बाद कुछ नहीं रहता बहन, मैं घर जाती हूँ बहुत खुश.
What about you, Lilith? What was that one trait or maybe one quality of your character that actually you still remember, or maybe that you liked?
I don't know about liked, remembered. I was just telling someone else just now that, when I was pregnant in the film, supposedly pregnant, I was just remembering all the days of my pregnancy and saying, wow, it's such fun to play pregnant on screen because it's a lark. And actually, when you're pregnant for 9 months, my God, we were fooling around, jumping with my stomach doing all kinds of
I think we had a boxing match also.
Wow.
rubbing tummies together, doing all kinds of silly. That's what you do when you're pregnant. You know, I must say, I was incredibly lucky. I had a decent pregnancy. I was doing everything. And even after the baby was born, just put her in that thing and just take her wherever I have to go.
I'm very keen to know that, there are a lot of myths around, I would say, pregnancy about, as you said, expecting mothers and putting all these bars उनके बारे में कि ऐसा करना चाहिए, बच्चा ऐसा होना चाहिए, pregnancy में ये करो, pregnancy में वो मत करो. I'm very keen to know that, what are those top myths that supposedly are there in regards to pregnancy that, Lilith, if you could bust out for me that, okay, this is not how it is.
The world is full of, especially Indians, I have to admit, they're full of people who are constantly giving you advice on a plane, sitting at an airport. They all know everything. All the aunties, uncles, everyone, they know everything. So it's just from here and out through there. That's what has to happen. I was lucky. I had a mother who was a doc. I only listened to her. I didn't listen to anybody else. But everyone's giving you advice and you keep saying, oh, really? How nice. Yes, I must. Just move on. You can't keep listening to everyone because there's so many old wives' tales about what you should do, what you shouldn't do. You should do this, you should swim, no, you shouldn't swim, can have a little wine, you can't have wine, you can't do this, you can do this. It's just, so to me, the filter was my mother, the doc. What is the medical fact here? Can you do this? Can you not do this? And frankly, you're supposed to be active in this thing, unless you have a problem, then of course.
I totally agree to that one. But Shreya, I'm very keen to know, because seeing how birth is going to leave a mark on a lot of mothers out there, expecting mothers, people who are actually planning to be moms, or maybe who aren't actually moms, what is that one part of your journey in the short film Birth that you feel will leave a mark on them?
No, the idea is to provide entertainment. I don't know if it should leave any sort of mark. Yeah, ये बहुत मतलब गंभीर. ये बहुत गंभीर है. So I was trying not to say that.
Do you have a favorite scene? Do you have a favorite scene in the short film?
Oh, I can't talk about it, but it was in one of the posters when Lilith, I don't know how to say, yeah, we can't say anything.
Can't say.
Just give a small hint.
Just like let's say that a lot of our cast was in the same room at the same time with matching uniforms. Watch out for that scene. That's all I'll say.
Guys, I'm very keen to know, because over the lockdown, I would say that short films, and I would say OTT, and I would say music videos. These three genres are such that have actually boomed. And as just Lilith said that short film is like a very best medium जहाँ पे कम समय में आप बहुत कुछ express कर देते हैं, but it's also a difficult medium.
For me, it's just I think Lilith will agree. For all of us, it's just the time spent on set that changes. Yeah, just the shooting schedule changes. The output is not, that doesn't change. Okay, short film है तो मैं सारे emotions मतलब ऐसे दिखा दूँगी. It's not like that. Our prep is the same. Everything is the same. What we do is the same. It's just literally the time spent on set with the number of days. That's all.
Okay.
No, I think when you go as an actor, you just go there and do your part. You prepare whatever you process, whatever your process is. All that is the same. It's just that, you perform for a shorter period of time. That's all.
Yeah.
And sometimes, if you have a really good teacher, you get time to explore many layers and shades of a character and the graph and all that, because you have this space.
Okay, last thing before I jump to the game part is, I'm very curious to know, as actors, Lilith looks all relaxed right now, but then very keen to know from the two of you, क्या लगता है, Shreya, is Lilith like a huge critic of her work, and Lilith, is Shreya a huge critic of her work? Does she criticize her work, or what is it like?
I think Lilith has done, my God, like she said, she spent her life on the stage. I have watched so many of her plays and I've been a fan of her on-screen and off-screen work. And I think actors tend to be critical as a baseline tendency, that we tend to nitpick and we tend to see all the things we could have done better. But at a certain point, I think there's a certain sense of peace and calm, because I feel like Lilith knows, at this point, she knows what she brings to the table.
I didn't see anyone who's sitting and, sort of evaluating and constantly saying, no, I think I want to do that, and I'm not happy with that. No, she's not that kind of person at all. But at the same time, I sense very much that she takes her craft seriously. She may be joking around just now. That quality, which I like personally, that she just gets into it. If you've done some homework, if you've done some research, process, blah, blue, whatever your methodology, I have nothing against any methodology. Finally, what you see out there on stage and screen, that's all that's important. You want to go Laurence Olivier, you want to go Robert De Niro, great. no problem. You want to do a combination, you want to do anything, there are 100 methods to approach acting. But at the same time, as she said correctly, I don't know any actor of any standard who is not constantly assessing and thinking. I mean, I till today don't think I've done anything really brilliantly at all. I feel I could have done that so much better. I could have done this so much, not in a sort of a negative way. I don't mean it in a negative way that I'm always dissatisfied and I'm not at all. I'm a very positive person. A play, I direct a play, or I act in something. I'm always going to have hopefully a sense of I could have done that better.
Well, this was Shreya and that was Lilith for you people. And this is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off for now, only from TeleChakkar. Well, I really hope for all the expecting mothers out there, or better for the moms जिन्होंने खुद के लिए ही एक benchmark set कर दिया है, that maybe you guys will have something to take away from this gorgeously short film Birth. Until then, stay tuned to TeleChakkar and this is me signing off for now. Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to TeleChakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.